We are going to be reviewing how to add colors to your objects. The first thing we want to think about is what area we would like to color on our object. Now, it seems simple enough that over in the left-hand side we can select our paint box, but when we try to color our object, nothing appears. What do we need to do? If you look to the right and you remember that default tray that we hid away before, you're going to need to open that up. So hover over default tray and you're going to need to click on the small thumbtack to keep that default tray open. Once that's open, you will notice that there is a section called materials. Colors fall under the materials section. So go ahead and open up that material section. Now there are a few items that might pop up. It'll probably show you originally pop up under materials with a bunch of folders. We want to select colors. So if you click in that drop down and you go down and find colors, it'll give you many options. Now, once I select my first color, I can come back with my paint bucket and click on one side of my object. But you will notice it only does one side at a time. So if you need different colors per side, that's easy enough. You change your color, click on another side, come over and scroll down again and pick another color, and you can choose a different color for each side. But if you would like to make the whole object one color, this is what we need to do. I'm going to undo my options. We need to first select our object entirely. By doing that, I go up to my selection tool, the arrow, and if you just click once on the side of an object, it selects that side of an object. If you'd like to select the whole thing, you click 3 times. It selects the entire object. If I rotate around, you'll see all sides and bottom are selected. I can now go back, select my paint bucket, and choose a color that I would like to select for my whole object. And when you click once, the entire object is that color. In the future, you guys can experiment with other colors, textures, and features of that, but for our purpose, we're just sticking with colors right now. Don't forget to deselect your object by going back to the black arrow. Okay? Thank you. Good luck.